Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today is a tribute to remember those planes who were beasts of the skies. Yes, I'm talking about the Boeing 747s and the Airbus A380s. They were ginormous planes. The A380s were owned by Qatar Airways, and Emirates, and also Japan Airlines, Qantas, British Airways, and more. And the Boeing 747 were with loads of companies, but time to remember them. These planes were ginormous. These were the biggest passenger planes, one of the biggest, but the passenger planes were not filled properly, and they were getting less money, the airlines that owned these planes, and so were the Boeing 747s. Well, roll the clip.